Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edu Accountancy. This video is all about the syllabus we'll be covering in this course. You are looking to refresh your knowledge. This syllabus is perfect for you. Well, be covering from the elements of cost, financial statement analysis, cash flow analysis, GST accounting with tally. So sit back, grab a notebook and let's get started. Become part 3rd semester 6 Advanced Accountancy paper 3rd. You watch syllabus content. Unit 1st Element of cost include chapters material cost, labor cost and overheads. Preparation of cost sheet and quotation. Unit 2nd Financial statement analysis. First chapter Financial statement analysis, meaning, types, limitation of financial statements, meaning and needs of financial statement analysis, and techniques of financial statement analysis. Chapter B Ratio analysis, meaning, advantages and limitations, classification of ratios, profitability ratio, turnover ratio, solvency ratio, and liquidity ratio. Unit 3rd Cash flow analysis, meaning of cash flow analysis, classification of cash flow, cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities, cash and cash equivalents, extraordinary items, preparation of cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3rd. Unit 4 GST accounting with practical using tally part 2nd. Theory part Introduction to GST on services, existing registration, supply of goods and services, scope of supply, place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, mixed supply and composition supply, accounting for return of goods, sales return, purchase return, credit note, debit note, GST on services, GST reports and GST returns. Then practical chapters Getting started with GST in Tally ERP9, basic concepts in GST, configuring GST in Tally ERP9, company setup, enabling goods and services tax, GST classification. B. Creating masters, creating purchase ledgers, creating sales ledgers, creating GST ledgers, creating party ledgers, creating stock items. Part C. Entering transactions, creating purchase invoice with GST, creating sales invoice with GST, printing sales invoice, accounting for return of goods, sales return, purchase returns. Chapter D Accounting for GST on Services. Chapter E GST Reports, generating GSTR first report in Tally ERP9, generating GSTR2 report in Tally ERP9, GST tax payment, timeline of payments of GST tax, modes of payments, challan reconciliation, exporting returns and updating to GSTIN. Then become part 3rd semester 6 paper 4 Advanced Accountancy Taxation. Unit 1st Basic Concept. Chapter A Meaning of Income Tax, Basic of Charges, Rates of Tax, Concept of Previous Years, Assessment Year, Person, Income and Assessee. Chapter B Residential Status and Taxability, Meaning of residential status, provision for determination of residential status and tax liability in respect of individual and HUF. Determination of residential status of firm and companies. Unit 2nd, exemption and deduction from total income in respect of individual only. Unit 3rd, heads of income, computation of total income and tax liability. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business profession, income from capital gain, income from other sources. Computation of gross total income and tax liability in respect of individuals only. Unit 4, Basics of GST. Meaning and feature of GST, benefits of GST, need of GST, constitutional provision of GST, levy and collection of GST, introduction to CGST, SGST, IGST, and finally UTGST. Thank you watching this video. Then like, share and subscribe my channel Edu Accountancy.